Don't want your eyes open, girlfriend. What's up with that? She got her eyes wide open. What are you doing, girlfriend? So Lord, baby girl, get it. She got her eyes wide open.